Are your threads posts not showing up like they are hiding on purpose? Here is a quick guide to fix it and make sure your posts show up for everyone. Let's get in. First, check internet connection. So, launch settings. Click on the option Wi Fi. Click on the Wi Fi network you are connected to. Forget the network. Give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Switch between network, Wi Fi, and cellular data. Threads needs a stable connection to upload and show posts properly. Next, refresh Threads. So, launch it. Swipe down on your feed to force a refresh. Fully close the app and reopen it. Next thing you want to do is update Threads and Instagram. So launch Play Store or App Store, then search for app Threads likewise Instagram. If you find the option of update for any of the app, just click on it and update it. Next, make sure your account is not set to private or restricted in a way that hides posts from others. Likewise, clear cache for the app, Threads as well as Instagram. So on settings, click on General, click on iPhone storage. From the list of apps, find Instagram and Threads. Click on Upload app for each of it, then click on Reinstall app. Likewise, report the problem to Instagram support team. So launch Instagram, navigate to your profile page, click on three bars, scroll all the way down, click on the option Help, click on Report a problem, click on Report problem without checking. Click on Don't Include and Continue. Now here explain about the issue and send it. With these, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Threads post not showing. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.